See that big old screw in the tie. Show y'all how to plug a tie. Legal side hustle. First you pull the screw out. That thing in there, man. And we were headed somewhere last night. Saw that boy. Out ready to come out. So I got my kit. I'll show y'all the kit. See, this is the kit. And it comes with like the little glue things. That's what you see the guy use, they be plugging. So I need a couple of times on my van. And it comes with the glue, but I don't have any glue. So that's it right there. And this right here for like when you pull it out to go in and actually make it a real small hole to make it big enough for the thing to fit in. But I'm not gonna need that because I feel like the screw pretty big. It's always good to have one of these on you too. Cause if you somewhere, yeah, I feel the air coming out, I gotta hurry up. Cause I gotta go and grab a compressor. I use another vehicle to grab one. But if I can drive this one, that'd be great. Man, this thing gotta be big right here. That boy's still coming out. I stick too. This ain't no little boy. Golly. My God. Oh my God. So I was trying to do it without going in the house. I was using these little pliers, but that didn't work. I'm supposed to be going. My wife thought I was going to get the tire changed, but when I called the place I go, someone with their compressor, so they can't change tires. I'm not gonna do this early this morning because she got an appointment to be at. So I ain't want to go in there and be like, hey, the place closed. Kind of wanted to do it. So she won't be like, nah, I don't trust you doing it. She ain't say that. I had to go back in the house. She was like, oh, good thing you called them then. My wife be on it. She know I can knock stuff out. Man. This thing in here too. It's in her. Now she can I just screw it out. Yeah, that work better. And screwing out like it got grooves and everything. Or the screw do have grooves. This one in there. I wonder how big this one's going to be. Stay tuned so I can show y'all the size of this thing. God, that thing big, man. That's it. It's plugged. It is plugged. Show you how big this screw was. What I did with the screw. Here go the screw right here. Y'all see how big this is? This was in the tire. I mean, how do that happen? I know how it happened, you run over it, but that's a big screw. It ain't like a pointed in, it's flat. It went straight in like that. That's how you take a screw out and plug a tie. Yada. Dig a side hustle.